You know Hitler wasn't allowed to have whiskey, don't you? Because he was a mean drunk. You're gonna be yarring me. Get out of the way. Are you looking at my thumb? Do you like rum? Come here. Come here. Wow. Whoa. You're jacked. She's like, I think I'll kick myself in the head. Oh, why she go so crazy for rum? Why are you after my rum? Get out of my rum. Oh, here she comes back. Here she comes back.
Are you licking me?
What are you doing?
It's weird.
Can I pet you?
Not the remote control, girlfriend.
Can I pet you? Hey, can I pet you? Yes, I can. You're being sweet tonight. Where's Ricky? You guys left the door wide open. Come here. Get up here. Can you come see me? Can you come see me? Come here. No more rum for you. You can come see me, but no more rum. No more rum. No. See, that's why Hitler's not allowed to drink, because he was a mean drunk.
I'm like, no, Dad.
See?
Duck didn't do anything to you.
No, he didn't do his damn thing. Come here. Get up there.